Check out what I just got. Holy cow, this is my first time working with this brand. This is Bharara Soleil? I should know how to say that. I should probably have looked that up before I started this video. My fault for not doing that, I apologize. The other one is Elegance. I have never worn anything. I get asked about Keen pretty much every single life. Someone will ask me, what do I think of Bharara Keen? Let's find out, honestly. Not that I'm not interested in Elegance, but like, I've been wanting to know what Keen smells like for a very, very long time. Now I know this is a flanker of it. So I don't know what the OG will smell like, but I am beyond excited. And come on. There we go. Useless plastic. Let's move you over here. So here we go. We have, oh, we got a sleeve. Let's see if we can pull the sleeve off without breaking it. Let's see if we can pull the sleeve off without breaking it. Let's see if we can pull the sleeve off. All right, here's the sleeve. Has a logo on the top like so. The rest of it's just plain recycled. All right, here is the box. Oh, it's magnetic. Okay, come on. It's the little things in life. I'm telling you, it's the little things in life that make you happy. Or maybe it's just me. Ooh. Okay, now hold on. What do we think of that? Can you see that? Let's see if I can pull it up here. That looks cool. It's just, it feels like the moody emo fragrance. It's just sitting in there in the dark and the gloom, and it's all black, and it doesn't care that it's not happy like the rest of you. Oh, the top comes off too. Oh, come on. That packaging gets an A++. That's pretty cool. All right, bottle. Yeah, that's the emo kid. Or it's the grungy, what's the word? I don't know. But yeah, it's all black. It's got its black eyeliner on. My gosh, I'm doing a terrible job right now. It's got the eyeliner on. It's got its hair covering its face. And it's just like, life, whatever. Let's see. For a fragrance called, I think Soil, which I think is actually Sun, if I remember correctly. All right. Let's see what we think. Okay, not magnetic, but it slides into place pretty snugly. Is snuggly a word? I don't think it is. But this is snugly on there. That is bright, that is fresh, that is in your face. Oh my gosh, I love this. It smells, you know when you get like orange in a summer style fragrance and you get that bubblegum sweetness and it just dials the orange up to like 1,000? You know, like say you're 1 million, how you can get that like mandarin orange just like through the roof. The afternoon swim through the roof. Like, because that one's more fresh. Whatever. It has that like Invictus-y bubblegum sweetness style. I'm liking it a lot. It's not like, so original Invictus I don't like. Other ones I like better. The flankers are way better. This one goes more in like the flanker, the later, more mature style. Not like a kid couldn't wear this, but more, I'm not trying to be some obnoxious little 5-year-old just running around like, look at me, like you reek. I know, but I smell good. Like, okay, whatever. No, this is the, I'm sweet, I'm sexy. This is more like you're clubbing. I want to go there, know that it's loud, know that I'm going to be impressive, but also know that I'm not going to be that annoying little tool that is being left alone in the corner because you reek and no one cares about you, even though you think you're all that. And no, I'm not talking about personal experience. Okay, I can do this. Oh, I like this. I need to look up the notes on this one. See, this is the nice thing about filming here is I can look up notes. All right. Soleil LED. What does LED bottle mean? Huh? Oh, it's an LED bottle. Okay, hold on. This is not the emo kit. This is the, I was so mistaken. I didn't know it was an LED bottle. I've never had one before. This is so cool. So there's a button on the bottom, flip it on, and it lights up. Like, come on. Oh, that's cool. Also, it's Soleil. There we go. So now I'm saying it correctly. Okay, hold it. This is not emo. This is...
When the Lights Come On by Asking Alexandria is only available with Amazon
Alexa,
Unlimited.
stop. I'm telling you, she just always needs a butt into your life. Just saying. All right, back to notes though. Soleil in an LED bottle. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Here we go. On the website. Top notes. Mediterranean medley of Sicilian orange. Bergamot, lemon, vibrant red and yellow fruits for a juice, energizing burst. Not sure what that means. Evolves into essential core of jasmine, sandalwood, kafu, I don't know what that is. Balsam, cashmere wood, ambergris, adding depth, warmth, and subtle sophistication. I'm telling you, it's much more classy than the original, like just blasty bubblegum fragrance. Oh, so good. Settles into a gourmand woody foundation of Madagascar vanilla, chocolate, hazelnut, icing sugar, and cyan benzoin, leading a smooth, sweet trail. They're good. They're really good. They're really good. I just saw a video from another influencer saying this is like a 14-hour beast mode fragrance. Okay. Couple things. One, presentation, 10 out of 10. We're off to a good start. 2, the emo bottle. Love it, off to a good start. 3, it's an LED bottle. Off to an amazing start, 20 out of 10. And then the scent itself, if you're looking for a very loud, sweet fragrance that you just want to blast, I mean, this just smells like this is gonna go everywhere. This is amazing. Holy cow, holy cow. This is my first impression with this brand, and this is like, can it get any better, or does it all just go downhill? Because have we peaked? Have we peaked with an LED bottle, beautiful presentation, beautiful scent? I don't know. Let's see. Because, as you remember, we got number 2. Number 2. Okay, I'm gonna turn the LED on and leave it on for a little bit. Wonder what happens when that goes out. Is there a way to change the battery? Comment down below if you know. Can you change batteries on bottles for like LEDs like that? Because it would suck if you had like this awesome LED bottle and then all of a sudden, nope, it doesn't work anymore. Am I correct? So also just don't leave it on your shelf. Okay. More useless plastic we don't need. All right, this feels like a, oh, here we go, here we go. See, I was gonna be like, what do you think about it? But it didn't stay in there. So, take 2. Like I've never done this before. What do we think? Is it in there? Okay, for being called Elegance, this really works. Like, again, it's like, I don't know if you've ever seen Egyptian hieroglyphs where they'll show you the actual, like, paint. And sometimes the paint's so gone you'll never see what it is. But sometimes you can see, and it's got this, like, beautiful blue. This, like, aqua blue with, like, gold. And, I mean, that's exactly what this is. So for me, 10 out of 10 presentation again. And I like that the bottle or the box is different. It's not the same as that one. It's a totally different one. It's not like, you know, again, nothing wrong with Tom Ford doing the same box for every single one of the private lines, but like, hey, it's different. I like different. Also, little thing, the cap logo was lined up perfectly. Attention to detail. Attention to detail. All right, strip. The heck? Cat feels heavy in the hand. Atomizer's amazing. I can already smell the fragrance. Wow, it smells good. That's insanity. That's fresh, that's sweet. It kind of reminds me of Greenwich Village. That style. In fact, I don't know if it's a dupe of Greenwich Village. I don't know anything about the brand, but this is going with me on trips. This is going to be fragrance I'm taking. Like, look out, Game of Spades. Win. There's competition. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's so good. Let's see if I can find it real quick. Elegance. Elegance. There we go. Bharara Elegance EDP. Top notes. Peach, black currant. I love black currant. Anyone else out there notice whenever black currant's in a fragrance, it smells amazing, or just me? Warm floral zest of marigold, white florals, lily of the valley, caramel, vanilla, jasmine. Okay. And then the foundation is oak moss, musk, ambergris. Also, ambergris and black currant, that might be the best two combo I've ever smelled in fragrances. Sandalwood and vetiver. Vetiver. Huh. That smells amazing. I gotta look up what Greenwich Village has. Lychee has peach, tangerine, water lily, jasmine, praline, musk, vanilla, oak moss. I think it's trying to emulate that scent. And I don't know if it's going to be like a one-to-one scent where it's just going to smell exactly like that, dry down just like that. But this is like popping off the strip. Like, I sprayed it, I could smell it way before I even finished the second spray. I could smell it. Like, this is a loud fragrance. If you like Greenwich Village, if you like Game of Spades, Win, if you like that style of fragrance, this is good. And I gotta say, bottle-wise, this looks pretty darn awesome. Like, I would not be upset if someone saw that. They'd be like, oh, you have a fragrance. Oh, cool. What is it? It's called Elegance. Oh, it looks good. Yes, it does look good. Thank you for noticing. I appreciate that. All right. That's my first impressions of both of these. LED bottle. LED bottle still works. Jeez, that is so cool. That is so cool. Okay. All right, but we're turning it off now. Save the battery. Save the battery for other videos. What are your thoughts? Have you smelled Bharara, Soleil, or Elegance before? And if so, comment down below what your thoughts, how long it lasts on your skin, how it projected, how the sillage, the whole wear. I'm curious. I will definitely be rocking these. Like, we are hitting fall, and these smell perfect for it. Again, they're going to be main fragrances in my rotation right now. These smell amazing. Oh, yeah. This is going to be good. This may sound weird. I actually feel like this one is a little bit more of like an office safe, school safe, and this is more of your loud, playful. You want to go out and just be smelled. So I know I started off saying this is the clubbing fragrance. You could still wear it at a club, but again, if it was me, again, not from previous experience, I'm too loud in the club and no one cares about me. But I'm just saying, if it was me, I'd go with that one. This one might be safer. This one smells good too. They're both amazing. Oh, that's 14 hours. Let's do this. Anyhow, Nubs Rigs, thanks for watching the video. Hope you all have a great day. Again, comment. Let me know what you think about these. And again, thank you for sending me the fragrances, guys. Like, I really appreciate the support. I appreciate everything you do. It's really nice to have a brand that actually looks after content creators and says, hey, do you want to review this? I'll help you out. Like, appreciate it. Thank you for the PR. As always, talk to you soon. Dang, that's good.